In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Dallas County. We're going to walk through the process directly on the official website, and I'll keep it simple so you can follow along at your own pace. Before you begin, it helps to have your citation number ready, since that's what you'll use to locate your ticket in the system. Start by going to the Dallas City Hall website. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct official site. This is important anytime you're making a payment online, especially for a citation or court-related matter. Once you are inside the page, look around the homepage for the section related to payments or municipal services. The site may have multiple options, so move carefully and read the labels on screen to avoid clicking into the wrong department. Next, click on the Pay Online option. This should take you closer to the area where traffic citations and other court-related services can be handled online. After that, click on Pay Online again if another prompt or link appears. Some government websites use a second confirmation page or a service portal link before bringing you to the actual transaction area, so this is normal. You'll then arrive at a page that explains the online services available. This page typically lets you skip the line and resolve your matter online. You may see options such as paying your citation in full, setting up a payment plan, applying for a deferred disposition, applying for driver safety school, submitting proof of compliance like insurance or registration, or requesting a court date. For this tutorial, we're focusing on paying the ticket online, but it's useful to know that these other options are available if your situation requires something different. From there, click the button that says "Click here to get started." This will take you into the search area where you can find your specific citation. On the next screen, choose the option to search by citation number. This is usually the fastest and most accurate way to pull up your ticket, especially if you want to avoid searching by other personal details. Enter your citation number carefully, making sure there are no typos, extra spaces, or missing digits. Accuracy matters here, because even a small error can prevent the system from finding your record. Finally, click Search. The system should then pull up your citation so you can review the details and continue with the payment process. As a quick tip, double-check the citation information before submitting any payment, and keep a copy of your confirmation for your records once you're done. That's it for this walkthrough on how to pay a traffic ticket online in Dallas County.